So today's video is going to be different from most of my content. Today I will be recording my closing day, which I'm so excited. It's been a long journey. I started looking at houses in March of this year and now it's September. So that's a long time. Our original close date was supposed to be August 14th. So yeah, we're a little behind, but that's okay because we're getting it done and I'm so excited. I feel so blessed. My goal was to be a homeowner by the age of 25 and I'm 25. My biggest goal was to be a homeowner also for my son because we've been living in an apartment since he's been born, and I hate apartment life, especially having kids, because you have to tell them to quiet down, to not disturb the neighbors. They don't have a yard. So I'm so excited to be able to give him a home as well, even though he does not like the house. He told me, it's too big, mommy, it's too big. But I'm like, boy, you don't even get it yet. You'll understand when you're older. I'm gonna go ahead and go inside now. It's a pandemic, so I need my mask. But yeah, so let's get into it. I'll record something real quick so we can talk about our experience, because we saw 30,000 homes and we made an offer on about like 5. Probably about 5, and it was rejected. And then I finally gave up and she was like, no, don't give up, just wait, the perfect house is gonna come. And then for sure we got the perfect house. So shout out to Leona, the best realtor in the world. So it's official, I am a homeowner, well, a home financer, but it's still good that you are a home financer on the road to home ownership. So the next thing that I'm about to do now is go to the new house. I really needed to go to Home Depot. Like I said, there's a lot of DIY projects I'm gonna have to do with this house, but I'll go ahead and show y'all a tour of the house now so you can kind of see what it's looking like. And then maybe I could take y'all shopping with me at Home Depot so I can show you guys what I'm doing with the floors and with the fireplace, because I have 2 and they're, I don't know, you'll just see. Okay, also my realtor came. She's just amazing. I love some Leona. She's the greatest realtor. She was so patient with me. I've been through 4 realtors. Okay, 4. I'm gonna get in detail on another video about what to look for in a realtor, but yeah, you got to be careful with picking your realtor, and I picked the perfect one for me and my situation. So yeah, I'm about to head to the new house so you guys can see it, and I'm only going to show the inside because it's creeps on here. So I'll show you guys the inside and then the backyard, and we'll go from there. This is the living room. This is the living room. Let me go to the corner so you guys can see it. And then you walk in, there is the kitchen. And it has a little window. Now, the stove we are replacing, and the fridge we are gonna replace with stainless steel. So like I said, I'm gonna do the remodeling and DIYs on my new channel. Again, that's the upgrade, tag down below. I'm gonna show y'all this part last, so let's go on over here. This is the dining room, we guess, but honestly we don't know how they had it. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Should we take this wall down? All right, so you go down this hallway and you have access to the dining room again, which I said I'm gonna get a door to close that off if we don't tear down that wall. This is bedroom number 1. This is gonna be Kaysen's room. I still don't know if this is gonna be Kaysen's room. No, this is not gonna be Kaysen's room. This is gonna be the guest room. This is the bathroom. So, oops. As you can see, the shower needs to be replaced. It's cracked right there. And the sink is nice. The toilets need to be replaced. It's rusty in there. I think this house has been vacant for a while. We actually bought the home from an investor. So this is the next room. So now I just decided that this will be Kaysen's room. And then the closet, not really all that. I currently have walk-in closets at my apartment, but who cares? I got a whole house. And then right here you have like a little, I don't know, I guess it's a linen closet. I really don't know. I haven't had a house before, so. And then this is my room. So it's not much bigger than the other rooms, but I like this room more because it doesn't have a lot of windows that's like close by. I don't like a lot of sunlight. I'm a vampire. And then this is my bathroom, which is also gonna be the guest bathroom, sadly. I wanted to paint the grout in the bathtub black. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments as well. I'm gonna also paint the cabinets in here. Not that they're ugly, but they're ugly. Last but not least, we have the basement, which is creepy as fuck.
All right, so now we're going down to the basement, which is supposed to be a crawl space. I don't know. I thought crawl space meant super small, but this doesn't look super small. So I say I'm gonna finish it, but I'm taking my time with that, no rush. And if you look over, you'll see that we have our own entrance for the basement, which I like just in case I wanted to make it into a guest space or something.
All right, and now for my favorite room. Excuse the dead bugs, but they did bomb it. And they're just, I don't know, that's kind of gross. But I'm not dirty, I swear. So this is the laundry room. Plain, which we're gonna do a DIY on that. But here's my favorite room. It is the family room. So here's what we're doing to this room. We're gonna paint the fireplace. We're gonna put plasterboard on this side and then this side, because I think it's just too much brick. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. But it's just too much brick to me, so we're gonna paint this right here using the Brick A New system. Again, on my new channel, The Upgrade, you'll see that. The mantle is a little ugly. Now this fireplace, on the like appraisal, it said that there's only one, so I'm thinking, I don't know. I don't think this is the real one. I think the one in the dining room is the real one. And then these are the windows, not that y'all care. And it has its own air conditioning system and this ugly fan, which I hate the lighting in this room. Look. So fugly. Yeah, this is the deck, and you can see it's spider webs everywhere. Like I said, this house has been vacant for a while. Oh, that's another thing too, replacing the faucet. Look, it leaks. Oh, he fixed it. Oh no, he didn't. But he did turn the water pressure up. That's cool because the water pressure was super low. Now the dishwasher, y'all, I'm not even gonna open it. It is a goddamn mess. It is disgusting. I bought $100 to the closing table today because of down payment assistance, and I'm going to tell you more about that program. Hopefully it's not over because they've been ending it like every month, so hopefully it's still not over. You would rather be getting the perks of being a homeowner and the tax benefits and things like that instead of renting forever. But at the same time, I rented for a long time to make sure I was debt free before I bought a home. So being a homeowner is a lot of responsibility, and when you don't have anyone to call and say, oh, the so-and-so broke, you need to have a good savings and you don't need to have a lot of debt. So I made sure to pay off my car first, pay off my credit card debt completely. We're gonna get into that in another video, but I just wanted to show you all the home. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my new channel, The Upgrade, and also follow me on Instagram at @theupgrade_Kiki, and I will see you all on the next video.